Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my last tutorial, I have shown the cutting of off-shoulder dress. Now I'll show you how to stitch it. First, I'll take the panel piece of upper main fabric and interfacing and hard net. Pin these three together and stitch it from the sides so that they stays in place. I have stitched all three panels together. Now take your lining panel and pin it by facing right side each other. And make a stitch line on bottom curve of panel. Then make small cuts and turn the lining to the wrong side. Give it a top stitch and do this with all the panels. I have stitched the lining pieces. Now pin these from sides and stitch all the panels. After stitching the panels, the skirt will look like this. It just look like a flower. Now take your both lining and main fabric bodice pieces and place them by facing right side each other and just make a stitch line to the armholes. And take your lining and main fabric ruffle pieces and stitch these on the sides separately. Make small cuts and turn the body's pieces to the right side. Press it and do the top stitching. Then take your ruffle pieces and pin them by facing right side each other. And stitch the sides and bottom line of the ruffle, except the neckline. Just stitch the sides and the bottom line of the ruffles. Now stitch the sides of the bodies. And make the small cuts on the ruffle and turn it to the right side. Press it and do the top stitching. And for concealing the raw edges of panel's sides, I'll attach a 1-inch ribbon to the raw edges. Now pin the body's piece to the skirt and make a stitch line to join the bodies to the skirt. Now I'll attach the zipper. I'll attach the zipper till 16 inches. So I'll mark 16 inches points on the dress. And also mark the 16 inches point on the zipper. Then open your zipper and put it right side upwards. And pin it by flipping it on both sides, as you can see in the video. Then make a stitch line by pulling the zipper teeth. After attaching the zipper, stitch the open parts of the skirt. Now, to join the ruffle piece, turn your dress to the wrong side and pin the ruffle piece. Make sure both the ruffle and dress pieces are facing wrong side upwards. And make a stitch line to the ruffle and turn it to the right side. Then give it a top stitch. The next, I'll show you the final look of the dress. This is how my dress came out after stitching. Hope you liked it. Please like, comment and share my work, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.